Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build a lamp which imitates water ripples or water caustics for less than 15 euro. The specialty of this lamp is that it works different from commercially available water ripple lamps. In commercial lamps, light shines through a gobo, which means that the effect is created by transmission. But in our case, the effect is created by reflection. We will take a look at the functional principle in a minute. The lamp can be used as a wall washer to illuminate vertical walls or to illuminate the ceiling. Let's take a look at the parts that we need to build this lamp. Actually, we need only three things. A light source, of course. I chose a 6500K LED, then a heat sink, and the most important thing is the caustic plate. But this is nothing else than a normal PMMA plate. In my case, it has a mirrored backside and it has a special coating which produces these color effects that you see. So how does it work? In brief, it works like a mirror. Light is falling onto a reflecting surface and the incidence angle is equal to the angle of reflection. But in our case, light is falling onto a rippled mirror. And this produces the wonderful superposition of light projected on the wall. If you do not have a rippled mirror surface available, it doesn't matter. It also works with a transparent rippled glass or plexiglass. It would even work with a shower screen. Try it out with a torch. Let's take a deeper look at the ray tracing simulation. Here you see a housing which hides the LEDs from direct view, and the LEDs are oriented towards the caustic plate. The housing allows the reflected light to exit after reflection. In green you see the light rays emitted from the LEDs. For better clarity, the ray tracing shows only a small section of light from one LED, and this LED is directed to the caustic plate. In the side view you see how the light refracts when it enters the caustic plate. Because the refractive index of plexiglass is higher than in air, light refracts towards the normal. After light has entered the plate, light strikes the backside of the plate and the light is reflected and deflected by the bumps and ripples. By the way, this housing is only an example. You can build your own housing from whatever you like. In my case it's a 3D printed part, but you could use wood, metal, cardboard, whatever you have available. If you're interested in a CAD model, just send me an email, I can send you a step file. Just remember, all you need are some LEDs and the caustic plate. Alright, enough with the physics, let's put this thing together.